In the battleground of AI, Google faces Microsoft's GPT4 dominance. But hold on, because Google just unveiled Gemini, the trump card set to redefine the AI landscape. Today, we delve into Gemini, Google's answer to GPT4. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but an extension of our understanding, where machines grasp not just text, but the subtleties of sound, images, and videos. December 7th, 2023 marked a pivotal moment in the AI landscape. Google, amidst the looming shadow of Microsoft's GPT-4, unveiled Gemini, a beacon of innovation poised to revolutionize the very fabric of artificial intelligence. At Google.io earlier this year, Sundar Pichai, Google's CEO, stood on stage and unveiled Gemini with a sense of anticipation that filled the air. He described it as the culmination of years of tireless effort, a multimodal large language model that promises to eclipse predecessors like Lambda and Palm 2. Similar to GPT-4, Gemini doesn't just understand text. It comprehends the intricacies of sound, deciphers the context of images, and decodes the complexities of videos. But what sets Gemini apart from its predecessors is its seamless integration of these multimodal facets. The demonstrations showcased during the unveiling were nothing short of awe-inspiring. An AI that not only recognizes objects in live video feeds, but interprets languages and actively engages in interactive games, showcasing an understanding that seemed almost human-like. Take, for instance, a demonstration where an individual drew a seemingly crude sketch of a duck. In an instant, Gemini identified it not just as duck, but with the certainty and confidence of an expert, exclaiming, "It is a duck." Such real-time, accurate comprehension spanning multiple languages was nothing short of miraculous. The capabilities didn't end there. Gemini excelled in maintaining contextual understanding within an ongoing video feed, tracking objects, playing games that require reasoning and memory, and even generating content on the fly, whether it be images or music, transcending the traditional confines of AI limitations. The unveiling of Gemini wasn't just a presentation, it was a glimpse into a future where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but a companion, an entity that comprehends our world as vividly as we do, if not more. The demonstrations showcasing Gemini's capabilities during its unveiling were nothing short of staggering. It's not just an AI, it's a virtual polymath, seamlessly traversing across multiple domains with finesse that borders on the realm of human intuition. One of the standout features is its ability to interpret live video feeds with astounding accuracy. Gemini doesn't just passively observe, it actively comprehends. It's akin to having an expert in the room as it identifies objects, discerns contextual nuances, and even participates in interactive games with remarkable prowess. From discerning the identity of objects in real time to accurately translating languages on the fly, Gemini sets a new standard for what we've come to expect from AI. The true marvel lies in its capacity for multimodal outputs. Picture this, an AI that not only generates images instantly, but also crafts music based on a prompt. It's not just text to audio, it's image to audio. A level of versatility that blurs the boundaries of conventional AI capabilities. This anything-to-anything model heralds a paradigm shift, redefining the scope of what AI can achieve. But perhaps the most astonishing feat is its spatial reasoning and logic prowess. Gemini effortlessly solves puzzles, predicts outcomes based on complex data, and even provides solutions to real-world problems. From determining aerodynamics to foreseeing which car might outpace another, it demonstrates a level of logical reasoning that surpasses mere algorithms. It's akin to having a knowledgeable consultant at your disposal. Moreover, Gemini's ability to anticipate, track, and retain information in an ongoing video feed is unprecedented. It's not merely processing information, it's understanding and retaining the context, making decisions, and generating responses in real time. These demonstrations aren't just technological showcases. They are glimpses into a future where AI isn't just an aid but a partner, an entity that comprehends and interacts with our world as intricately and dynamically as we do. Gemini wasn't the only ace up Google's sleeve. Enter AlphaCode 2, a programming marvel that's poised to disrupt the very essence of coding as we know it. In the battleground of competitive programming, AlphaCode 2 emerges as a formidable force, surpassing 90% of its human counterparts in tackling highly complex, abstract problems. At its core, AlphaCode 2 embodies the essence of a skilled programmer. It doesn't just solve problems, it breaks them down systemically. employing sophisticated techniques like dynamic programming with finesse that mirrors the thought processes of experienced human programmers. Its ability to disassemble intricate problems into manageable components showcases a level of cognitive agility that hints at a future where coding may take on an entirely new dimension. This groundbreaking model holds the promise of redefining the programming landscape. Imagine a world where programmers aren't just developers but collaborators, working hand in hand with AI entities like AlphaCode 2 to tackle challenges that were once considered insurmountable. It's not merely about automating coding tasks. It's about augmenting human ingenuity with the prowess of AI, ushering in an era where problem-solving becomes a collaborative effort between man and machine. Gemini arrives in 3 distinct sizes: tall, grande, and venti, each tailored to serve specific purposes within the AI ecosystem. The tall variant, designed for embedded devices like Android phones, brings the power of Gemini to handheld technology. Meanwhile, the grande version serves as a versatile, general-purpose model, catering to a broader range of applications. However, it's the venti, the ultra variant, that emerges as the crowning jewel of the Gemini family, a titan that's turning heads and rewriting the rules of AI. In a head-to-head comparison with its rival, GPT4, Gemini's benchmark performances yield fascinating insights. The Pro versions of Gemini often fall slightly short of GPT4 across various metrics. However, the Ultra variant shatters expectations, outperforming GPT4 in almost every strategy. It's a groundbreaking achievement, marking the first time a model has surpassed human experts in massive multitask language understanding, a feat previously considered unattainable. However, amidst this triumph, a peculiar challenge surfaces. While Gemini Ultra excels in numerous benchmarks, it struggles with the H-SWAG benchmark, an evaluation of common-sense natural language. This benchmark requires the AI to complete vague and ambiguous sentences, a task that reflects human-like understanding. Here, GPT-4 demonstrates superiority, showcasing a deeper grasp of contextual intricacies and common-sense reasoning. The technical prowess of Gemini, particularly in its Ultra variant, is awe-inspiring. Powered by version 5 tensor processing units, these models redefine the scale of AI training. SuperPods, each housing 4,096 chips, employ dedicated optical switches that facilitate rapid data transfer, enabling parallel training. The scale is monumental, requiring communication across multiple data centers to accommodate Gemini Ultra's colossal size. Despite its technical brilliance, disappointment looms on the horizon. While the Nano and Pro models will grace Google Cloud on December 13th, the Ultra Pro Max variant remains under wraps until further safety tests ensure it meets the 100% mark on the H-SWAG benchmark. Behind Gemini's astonishing capabilities lies a symphony of technological marvels, setting new benchmarks in AI architecture and training methodologies. The foundation of Gemini's prowess is its reliance on version 5 tensor processing units, revolutionizing the very infrastructure of AI computation. A technological symphony orchestrating the complex dance of data transfer at unprecedented speeds. This orchestration enables parallel training, a fundamental element in scaling Gemini's colossal size. These tensor processing units form the backbone of Gemini's training process, reshaping the landscape of AI training methodologies. The scale of Gemini's training is monumental, transcending the limitations of conventional AI models. SuperPods dynamically reconfigure into 3D torus topologies, an engineering marvel akin to shape-shifting, transforming into data donuts to minimize latency between chips, ensuring lightning-fast computations. But the scale of Gemini's training extends beyond the confines of a single data center. Its magnitude demands communication between multiple data centers, harmonizing a network that spans geographical boundaries. This interconnected web of computation is the canvas upon which Gemini's unparalleled capabilities are sculpted. The training dataset itself is a treasure trove drawn from the vast expanse of the internet, comprising web pages, YouTube videos, scientific papers, and literary works. Filtering this trove for quality, Google employs reinforcement learning, harnessing human feedback to fine-tune the dataset, eliminating distortions and ensuring fidelity in the learning process. However, amidst the grandeur of Gemini's technical prowess, a note of caution surfaces. The Nano and Pro models are set to grace Google Cloud on December 13th, but the Ultra Pro Max variant remains withheld. Safety tests are underway, aiming for a flawless 100% performance on the H-SWAG benchmark, a testament to Gemini's ambition to not just excel, but embody human-like understanding and reasoning. The technical marvels embedded within Gemini redefine the frontiers of AI architecture and training methodologies. Yet, Its journey to perfection is an ongoing symphony of innovation and refinement, painting a portrait of AI's evolution toward ever greater heights. Gemini heralds a new era in AI, yet its journey into perfection is ongoing. Stay tuned for more updates on this revolutionary model. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Leave your comments in the section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.